Understanding Foggy Notion. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, foggy notion. It's a curious expression that often pops up in everyday English conversations. So, if you've ever stumbled across this phrase and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. A foggy notion refers to an idea or a thought that is unclear or not well thought out. It's like trying to see through a thick fog. You know there's something there, but you can't quite make out what it is. This phrase is often used to describe a vague understanding or a hazy idea that someone has. The phrase, foggy notion, seems to originate from the literal sense of foggy, which means full of or surrounded by fog, and notion, which means an idea, belief, or opinion. When put together, it evokes the image of an idea that is as unclear as a scene obscured by fog. Let's look at how this phrase can be used in everyday sentences. I have a foggy notion of what he meant, but I'm not entirely sure. She had a foggy notion that she'd seen that person before, but she couldn't remember where. This phrase is useful when you want to express that someone's ideas or plans are not fully formed or are difficult to understand. It's a polite way to say that you or someone else needs to clarify their thoughts. And there you have it. Foggy notion is all about the unclear, the uncertain, and the vague. We hope this video has shed some light on this misty topic and that you now have a clear understanding of what it means. Happy learning, and we look forward to bringing you more interesting English phrases in our upcoming videos.